the user can continue doing whatever he wants to do, and we moved it to a separate thread. And it was, the isolate is the thread, so it handles, it's like that. We handled it like a thread, so it handled what it needed to do, and then it sends out the necessary notification, and we moved forward. Does that answer the question?
I think so. Basically, essentially, you're saying you can handle the isolates, like you handle states. So, let's say you can handle the isolate like you handle states, creating a service that handles the whole action of the isolates, just like you handle states. So, are you saying change notifier would work for that?
Change notifier should work for that, but for better improvement, we tend to use like block. So, but change notifier should work fine.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes. Any more question?
Yes, divine creations, please. Go ahead with your question.
Okay, good evening. Thank you for the class. I want to ask, so aside building your widgets, so natively, so I've seen extensions on Figma and all that you can use to convert Figma designs to Flutter codes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
So, but the challenge I'm having with such codes, yes, it gives you the exact proportion and all, but I'm having issues with responsiveness. So I don't know how to tackle that. I see a lot of positioning.
Yes. So advisably, those generators are not. They're not really good. I should tell you to actually even stop using it. So responsive design, there are so many solutions to achieving that. We even have a dedicated package that uses the device DPI and does all the calculations and give you accurate size. And when you're using Figma, for example, you have the developer mode. And in the developer mode, you can see the pixels is giving you, the size is giving you, say, 25, 26. So if you're using that particular plugin, I can't remember the exact name, but I think it's Screen Util or something. I can't remember the exact name at the moment. Unfortunately, I have it in a source code, but I'm afraid of showing it for, how some people protect their source code. But this is something I would like us to address in the future. So with that, you'll be able to get it adapt first. Then for responsive layout, you would have to use a builder, like a sort of builder, to check the device size and return a given widget, just like how you use media query to check the device width and either return a long div or either return a grid layout or a list view. So some things, a mixture of these things are what you do. And when you are creating your theming too, there are some things you can also do to help you with the responsive grid system and so on. That's something we can also discuss further next time. However, if I can easily bring out Figma, for example, this is the way I would advise you go with, say, creating responsive design. Instead of exporting it as a widget, instead just go to your design developer preview. I don't know if I can zoom because my screen is kind of big. Let's see if I can zoom in because I don't know if you can see anything. This is where I'm interested in. I wanted to show you where if you click on the layout, you would see the width that was given. And if you use I believe the name of the package is, let me be sure, I think it's Screen Util. Yeah, it should be Screen Util. Installing this package saves you a lot of problems with sizing. So when you define the initial size, the design size, if the person was using, say, for example, an iOS,